This is a continuation of an earlier video describing a novel frequency hopping transceiver which is not based on spread spectrum. MANET, M-A-N-E-T, is an acronym for Mobile Ad-hoc Network. Now the novel transceiver in this situation can be used to connect nodes in the MANET. It does this by providing an RF modulation scheme which is almost certainly undetectable by an enemy and is therefore practically unjammable. The transceiver is like an undetectable general-purpose radio station. It acts like a transmitter, a receiver, and an antenna which can be used to broadcast and receive virtually anything. A MANET node is also like a radio station, but it's detectable and jammable. The idea is to keep the MANET nodes but connect them to an undetectable, unjammable radio link. And frankly, I'd leave the bog standard MANET radio link in place as a decoy for enemy jammers. Enemy jammers will detect and jam a standard spread spectrum MANET link, completely unaware that a next generation ultra broadband link is actually being used, a link that is invisible to them. This animation shows a two-way flow of information between the MANET node at each end of the communication link. The MANET node transmits information to and receives information from the transceiver, which covertly sends and receives information with all the other transceivers in the network. They're automatically synchronized. The transceiver is a general-purpose device that provides what's called the physical layer of the network. It can be used with any type of network, but it does need a device to translate the network protocol into the modulation that the transceiver applies to the frequency hopping carrier. And the animation shows a single link between an FPV drone and its pilot, but the application could be anything. A multi-point data network, a distributed communication network, a covert intelligence gathering system or surveillance system, a network of transponders to increase the operating range. It could be anything.